Myanmar is implementing a one-year electric vehicle pilot project with the use of Chinese-made battery electric vehicles. In January, Myanmar imported the first batch of 40 Chinese-made BEVs. Under the pilot project, which runs through the year, 10 of the imported Chinese BYD E2 cars will run as electric taxis in Yangon, and another 10 vehicles will run as taxis in the capital city of Naypyidaw. To encourage its EV sector, Myanmar established the national-level leading committee on development of electric vehicles and related business in June last year. The country then granted a zero-tariff treatment on imported EVs effective from November the 2nd last year until March the 31st this year. An official with Myanmar's Ministry of Industry said that the country initially allowed the import of about 3,000 BEVs, including buses and those to be used as taxis. Until now, 8 companies, including BYD Motor Myanmar, have obtained permits for importing BEVs into the country. According to the ministry, Myanmar has so far permitted the installation and construction of more than 140 public EV chargers.